Removing the swift attach loader on your Kubota tractor is a relatively easy task. Precautions regarding personal protection should be followed as described in your operator's manual. To begin, set the engine speed to 1800 RPM. Raise the boom until the bucket pin is the height of the boom fulcrum pin. Dump the bucket fully. Slide the stand lever in a downward direction completely and release the stand from the stand hook. Get the bucket rolled back until its bottom is positioned about 20 degrees with respect to the ground surface. Lower the boom and raise the front wheels slightly. Slide the mounting levers on both sides upward. Slowly move the loader control lever to the rollback position to raise the loader side frames up and out of the receivers of the main frames. Move the mounting levers on both sides down. Back the tractor so that the quick coupler is positioned at the back of the side frame. Stop the engine and slowly release all of the hydraulic pressure by moving the loader control lever in all directions. When the third function kit is equipped, remove the connector and connect the cap to the mobile side and tractor side connector. Unfasten the seatbelt. Turn the safety lock button counterclockwise to unlock it. Place the mobile portion onto the coupler stay. Finally, place the protective caps and plugs on the quick coupler ends. Wear the seat belt and slowly back the tractor away from the loader. You have now removed the swift attach loader. Be sure to consult your operator's manual for specific instructions on storing the loader while not in use. Thanks for watching. Kubota. Together we do more.